Hi there, my name is Ashley Klein and I am an instructor for the Marquette Method of Natural Family Planning. Today I am going to go over with you how to move from the cycle 0 breastfeeding protocol into the first 6 cycles while breastfeeding protocol. I am going to include instructions on how to erase your monitor memory, which is also known as to reprogram, and then moving forward into your next protocol, how to set up your new cycle. So just follow along with me today. You will be using the Clearblue Fertility Monitor, and that is what the instructions will be on. And just as a reminder, these are the Clearblue Fertility Test Sticks that you use to test each day. So just make sure you have a box of these already on hand for when you set up your new cycle. Let's get started. You will first want to open your monitor and press the on-off button once to allow the monitor to turn on. The screen you will see next should be your peak screen with the happy face. This means you did hit your LH surge and you will ovulate within the next 24 to 48 hours. After the first tested peak, you get to close your monitor and put it away until your cycle starts. So I will now go over how to erase your monitor memory. Hit the home button icon and you will see 4 squares. The upper left is to set up a new cycle, upper right is to set an alarm, bottom left is the calendar, and the bottom right is to change settings. Go ahead and hit the change settings button, and the bottom left hand corner will have a reprogram button. That is what we will click to reprogram your monitor, otherwise known as erasing the monitor memory. On this screen, you will click the OK button. If you want, it will then ask if you want to reprogram your monitor. Yes, we want to reprogram our monitor. Click OK. It will then go back to a new setup menu where you get to completely set up your Clearblue Fertility Monitor to your needs. Now let's set up the monitor. You will select your language and then press the OK button. Before continuing, please read the instructions carefully. You will now calibrate the screen. Touch the symbol on the screen to calibrate to your fingerprint and how hard or soft you press the screen. The calibration is now complete. You can enter today's date. If you were to enter the date incorrectly, you would need to reprogram your monitor to set the correct date. Press OK. You can now enter the time format. It's 12 or 24 hour. The 24-hour time format would be military time. You can click OK. And now you can enter the time. And press OK. If you want to set a pin, keep in mind that you would have to enter this every time that you open your monitor. Now your setup is complete. Let's go over how to set up your monitor going from cycle 0 breastfeeding protocol into the first 6 cycles while breastfeeding protocol. Now let's set up a new cycle with your monitor. Go ahead and turn your monitor on, and you will get to the main screen where you will click the Set a New Cycle button to do a cycle setup. Would you like to set up a new cycle? Yes. And you may only set up a new cycle between days 1 through 4. What this means is you have days 1 through 4 of your period to set this monitor up. So now it asks, when did your period start? Again, you have a 4-day window to set up your monitor. So go ahead and click the day your period started, and it will say, what time did your period start? We recommend putting 6 a.m. every time. This time needs to be within your 6-hour testing window. So by clicking 6 a.m., that is usually a safe time between everyone's testing window. Go ahead and click OK. It will now ask you to program your 6-hour testing window. You can use the arrows to change the testing window time frame. I am just going to click the 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. time frame. If you want to change this, you will have to change it the next time you set up a new cycle. If your monitor is programmed correctly, it will now say, do not forget to test on day 6, low. Your setup is now complete and you will begin testing on cycle day 6. Please continue to follow your protocol from there on how to test and reach out with any additional questions you may have. Have a great day.